Today we're going to fry black bean stew, and I have my ingredients here. As you can see, I have 2 courgettes, I have carrots, I have tomatoes, I have red onion, I have ginger, garlic, and I'm gonna put danias also. And first we're going to cut the courgettes. I'm gonna be cutting them into cubes so that I can match the size of all the ingredients. So I'm gonna be doing cubes with all the ingredients, that is the nyanyas and the carrots, and then start frying the ingredients. So guys, make sure you like this video as we prepare the ingredients. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. I do cooking vlog. This is Dishi Nabeki. Here we cook simple meals, just home cooking, nice ideas, simple recipes for breakfast. Just go check them out, guys, and support this channel. Kindly leave a message, let me know you watched my video. So let's prepare the ingredients and cook together. So even the tomatoes, I'm gonna be cutting into cubes, but I'm gonna cut each just one piece of each ingredient. So when you finish cutting the onions, we go straight to fry the ingredients. So make sure you stay tuned until we finish the video. It's only 5 minutes, so make sure you watch and like the video. And thank you so much, guys, for your time, for stopping by. I really appreciate, and I would love you guys to leave a message for me. So my black beans are ready, as you have seen, so we're going straight to fry them now. As you can see, my onions are cooked. I've added salt. Then the next thing that I'm gonna add is tomatoes. I cook them a bit. I've used 3 tomatoes because I need a nice and thick soup. So I'm gonna fry the tomatoes for at least 3 minutes before I add the next ingredient. So let's fry the tomatoes. So we're gonna cover it for 3 minutes, and then let's add the carrots together with the courgettes. I'm gonna cover them at least for 5 minutes, and then I come back, stir, let them at least cook a bit, and then we add the black bean, but I'll make sure it's they are well cooked so that I can come and add the black beans. As we do that, we wait for the ingredients. We are going to cut the danias. The danias are the last ingredients that we are going to add to the stew. So we'll cut into just small sizes, as you can see, and then we add the black bean, as you can see. Then I'm gonna stir and then cook them for at least 3 minutes, and I'll add water, just a little bit of water, because I don't want to add a lot of water, because black beans, you know, they don't have a good soup, you know. I'm just going to add just a little water just to make it look a bit I don't know what to say, I don't know, soggy or what. Yeah, as you can see, You can see the soup is there boiling. We add the Danias, and at this point our stew is ready. We are not going to cook it again. It's ready, guys. It's ready to serve. You can have it with rice or just the way it is. Yeah, it's ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. As you can see, my stew is yummy, guys. Just go try this recipe, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Bye bye.